A set is another collection to store multiple items. The other three are list, tuple, and dictionary. A set is written with curly brackets and is mutable. And where the big differentiator is with a set is it's similar to a list, but it does not allow duplicate values. A set is unordered, and because a set is unordered, items cannot be accessed using indexes like a list. This means items in a set can be in a different order each time you use them. Actually, let's have a quick look at this in PyCharm. So we are on PyCharm and I am going to paste in my set. So we can see my underscore set and it equals curly brackets, and we've got some items inside my set, and then we are printing my set to the console. So let's run the file and we can see the order. So the order has changed. You can see true, the boolean value of true is the first one, but we can see in my underscore set it's the last one. If I rerun the file again, we can see again true is at the beginning. If I rerun the file again, we can see it's changed to Sydney as the second one. So true, Sydney, Marrakesh. Let's run the file again. We can see it's changed true, 34, London. So the order does not stay the same. Finally, true has moved. So it's moved into the middle now. A set is unchangeable. You cannot change its items, but you can still add new items and you can remove items. It's unindexed, as we have just had a look at, so there's no index with sets. And we've already seen because they are unordered list of items, items cannot be accessed using an index like lists can. And because it's unindexed, it does not allow duplicate values. So if we go back to PyCharm and if I add another list, another item, let's copy Marrakesh and paste that in, and let's run the file. So we can see Marrakesh has been added in once, even though in my set I have included it in twice. So looking at use cases, unlike a tuple and a list, a set cannot have multiple occurrences of the same item, and it stores unordered values. If it's important to store unique items, use a set. A set is also faster than a list when searching for items. Let's look at the methods supported by set. So set has quite a few methods as shown in red below, and some are quite obvious and others are not. So add an item to the set. Clear will remove all of the items from the set. Copy prints a copy of the set or returns a copy of the set. Difference update is quite a good one because it removes items in a set that those items also exist in another set. So it removes duplicate items. So it removes the items that are the same from one set that are also inside another set. Discard removes an item. Intersection. This checks if both sets have the same items. And intersection update removes the items in the set that are not present in the other set. IS disjoint returns whether two sets have an intersection or not. IS subset returns whether another set contains this set or not. IS superset returns whether the set contains another set or not. Pop is like the remove method, which removes an item from the set, but this is a random item. So the pop method randomly removes an item from the set. Then you've got remove itself. The remove method removes the specified item from the set, so the one we specify. Symmetric difference, this would return a set with the symmetric differences of two sets. Symmetric difference update, this would apply the symmetric differences from the set and another set. And the second to last one, the union returns a set containing the union of the sets. And the last one, update method, this would update the current set by adding items from another set. Let's have a look at some of these in action in PyCharm.